Hello friends, if you clicked on this video after looking at thumbnail, you have come to the exact right place. In today's video, I am going to reveal the complete truth about Alka Slim baking soda, whether it is real or just another online scam. Lately, you might have seen viral ads or videos showing Arm& Hammer baking soda alongside capsules called Alka Slim, claiming that drinking baking soda solutions or taking these pills will magically melt away body fat. But here is the real truth. This is a completely scam and an aggressive marketing gimmick. First, big brands like Arm& Hammer make baking soda for cooking and cleaning. They do not sell weight loss products and their logos are often misused in fake ads to trick people into believing the product is legitimate. Second, scientifically drinking baking soda cannot melt fat or balance your body's for weight loss. Your stomach needs natural acid to digest and your body automatically regulates its own pH level. More importantly, consuming baking soda regularly for weight loss is dangerous. It floods your body with excessive sodium, which can cause severe high blood pressure, spikes, stomach cramps, digestive issues, and dangerous chemical imbalances. In short, there are no shortcuts or magic baking soda pills for fat loss. Alka Slim is just another fake product trying to capitalize on deceptive online trends. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. How did you find this information? Please let me know in the comment box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I keep bringing videos like this for you. Thank you so much for watching.